So in this video, we will be seeing update command of SQL. So update command of SQL is used for modifying the table's data, modifying the existing data of table in database. So if there is a table containing data and you want to change the data, then you can use update command. So using the update command, we can modify tables data or by giving the column names. So let's see how. So it is used for modifying existing data of table in database. So it is used for modifying existing data of table in database. Syntax to use it is update table name, set the column in which you want to change the data, that column name you will be mentioning, set column name equal to new value. So whatever new value you want to give, you can give here, column name equal to new value, and where condition you can give or skip based on your requirement. So where condition is given if you want to modify only particular rows. But if you don't give where condition, all the rows data will be modified. So based on requirement, you may or may not use this where condition. So example, if I suppose if I have a student table, then update table name student, and I want to change the name from Ram to Ramesh, then I will be using the column name. Column name is name equal to the new value, where if the ID is 1, then I will be giving ID is 1. So wherever the ID is 1, the name will be changed to Ramesh. Or I can also give where name equal to Ram. So wherever name is Ram, it will be changed to Ramesh. So let's see it practically how it is done. So I am using here SQL command line. So I am having a table student where I have ID and name column, and in this I have only one row with ID 2 and name as Sam. So I want to change the ID to 101 and name to Samir. So update table name is student, and I want to first change the ID only. Set ID equal to 1 where name equal to Sam. So one row updated. Now let's see. So if you want to change it to 101, then again 101. So let's insert one more row. 2 and Samir I am inserting. And now there are 2 rows in the table. So now I want to change the second ID also to 202. So for that I can use update again. Set ID equal to 202 where name is Samir. So it will be updating only the second row. So this gives us the value this. This way you can update the columns data. Now suppose both the names you want to change to Ram. So I can do update student set name equal to Ram. So this will be updating both the names because we did not give condition. So if I select data now, I will be getting Ram and Ram. Now if you want to again change the data for only one row, you want to change it to Ramesh, where ID is 2, not 2. So here we have not given single quotations. That's why we got error. And now if I select 2, not 2 Ramesh. So this is how we can modify the existing data of column in table in database. So thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe channel for more updates on SQL and also other computer programming languages on this channel.